So I'm going to show you how to use TikTok hashtag. So let's get started. Now what we're going to do is open your TikTok. Open your TikTok. Okay guys, before we go there, please guys, subscribe. It helps a lot. Now you click on this bell button here. Now what you're going to do is click on the three dots line. I'm going to show my tab. Now guys, you click on this three line. Once you click on this three line, you can see I'm on my business suite. So if your own is on private, you can search on all of our videos and how to switch to TikTok business suite. So guys, let's continue. So you need to click on business suite, and then the next thing you're going to do is guys, wait for it to load. The next thing you're going to do is click on Creative Hub or Creative Hub, and this is where you're going to see all your hashtag. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. It is it. Click on your hashtag, and it's going to bring all the hashtag in the you can see is it on the musical hashtag or your lyrics or your donadon, anyone you can see. You can see. So if you are on your music, you can also search for music and it's for your hashtag. So this is it. You can just search for any hashtag that you want. And if you wanted to change, you can see this one is under media and entertainment. It is because of what I choose. So if you want to choose another app, come to your account. Once you come to your account, click on this filter and go and search for the one that you want to hashtag that you want. You can see the spot and just click on the sport and fitness and click on save. Then you go to the hashtag and you're going to see that the hashtag is going to change to the sports and fitness outdoor. Let's wait for it to load. You're going to see it, so you can just go to your account and change the you can see this for summer, you can say this is for Brazil, you can say for motivation, you can say. So once you want to change any hashtag, you can go to your account, filter to change all your things that you want to change here. Then you click on save once you're done, and you can go to your hashtag. Once you go to your hashtag, just click on it and you'll be able to use it. So guys, if this helps, click the like button and subscribe, and you can drop any comment there. Thank you guys.